Traders, it's Anthony here. I've just pulled this line, this diagonal, and I'm looking at these swings, swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high, give or take. It's much the same. We've got this measured move on the daily. So now if we place this at the current low, this green candle here is a potential target for this possible retrace on the daily time frame, given previous price action has done that. Now, I'm looking for an opportunity to short the market, and I always want to consider what's going on and where this could move to on the daily time frame. Admittedly, if we have a look back here, I mean, it took from this low, 1, 2, 3 days. Back here a couple of days, 2 or 3 days. So, this could be 2 or 3 days off. We don't know. But the possibility does exist that this could retrace back up into these levels here. So that's one thing. With that in mind, I'm going to mark up this daily high as I have here and have that on my chart as a point of reference. Now, coming back, let's have a look at the, let's grab the horizontal ray. Current price, see this low back here? So we'll just pull that through. That's a daily level, previous daily low. So we'll just mark that up, daily level. And we can see that we have actually wicked through this level here and now retraced and back down to retest. So this is a big level, accumulation range prior to this run north, trading right into it. Now, I'm looking to short this, but definitely not down here, given that it's trading into big level of support. So that's sizing it up on the daily time frame. So we'll go down to the 4H, and there's a couple of things. Now, we know that this level here is a point of interest on the daily in terms of a potential pullback. But, I mean, that could take 2 or 3 days. Who knows? So if we did the same thing on the 4-hour chart, we grab this, and let's just pick that up. All right, so we've got this swing low to high, this swing low to high, this swing low to high. So we've got this measured move, give or take a few pips here and there, working on the 4-hour time frame as well. So if we consider this on the 4H, then it would be feasible on this time frame to enter a trade short with a sell limit order here. Do that. And, we might get a fill, all right? So you might drop it down a little further. But if that's the case, I'm going to set my stop loss above this previous high. So that's looking at it from the 4-hour perspective. Now, understand that even though we've got this picture perfect lower highs, lower lows, this trend here, it's not set in stone that this is going to give us what we want. It is possible that that happens. So that's the risk. And you want to be trading always knowing that that can happen. There's a probability, well, the probability factor is in our favor that this follows suit, but there is a possibility this stop gets taken out. So we should always keep that in mind. Now, I do like to trade these 4-hour levels. See, we've got this, actually, I'll just readjust that. We've got this 4-hour balance area. I'm going to take it from the green candle high to low. That's my point of interest here. And entry, we do have a strong momentum. This is definitely under pressure. So at times you're going to find that, we might even get a shallow pullback. And I do want to get involved with this. I don't want to miss the opportunity, but you don't want to FOMO in either. So high to low on the 4H, there's your entry point. High to low on the daily, and the entry point's higher. So just understand that the lower the time frame, I guess the higher the risk. But I'm willing to give this a shot with a limit order here, short sell limit order, and see if we get a pull back up into this level here. Got a bit of room here with my stop loss, bit of room to breathe. And guys, that's my trade idea for today, the pound dollar. I'd like to invite you to click the link below and join our Telegram group. It's free. Have a look at my website. Comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, smash the likes, and with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.